Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create and manage purchase requests. This is the very first step in our procurement workflow. Purchase requests allow the team to request goods or service internally before an official purchase order, which is approved before we get any external document. To get purchase requisition, it will be under purchase module. Under purchase module, we have purchase requests. All our requests will be here, and any new requests, we come to click in from the new button and create new. We set up all the code. Request name, we can put in the name and say we want to request for laptops for new team, or whichever name we want to do. If there's any certain project that is tied to this, estimates that have to be attached with this, we can attach the estimates. If there is any type, whether it's a capex or an opex, we are able to pick and say this is a capex and the currency is set there. Department, if you have set any departments, we'll find the department here. And if there's a sales invoice attached to this purchase requisition, we can attach there. And then we share to vendors. As many vendors that are within that capex or nullity, we're able to share that. So we'll say we require new laptops for the new team members, and we get the items, HP Dell laptops. One, say quantity, we need 3, unit price, we can have the unit price or say 8,000 rands a machine. And if there's any tax we need to add, and have that done by creating or by adding the item there. Once we've done, all items are done, we review the request, review what we want, and ensure everything is good. And then once every request or everything is good, then we do save. In saving the requests, purchase request has been added, and what the system has done when you look at this is now has been put on according to the flow to the reviewers for approval. Send. Now once the draft is there and we've already done, we are okay and we've reviewed everything is fine, we can send the approval for the request to be approved. That's the bit of purchase, and where we're looking at purchase requests. So the purchase request has gone to the approvers, can be approved. As for purposes of this demo, I'm the reviewer and the approver, and I can from this state just approve for us to proceed and say approved. It is approved. We can preview. We can view as a PDF in a new tab. This is that we can preview the purchase requests, which company names and to the vendor. We can download, or we can just from here delete, share purchase requests to vendors. Once we click that, the vendors sends the email, or we attach in their contacts, and then we send the documentation over to the vendors. That's pretty much how the purchase request process is. And once the approvals have gone through and this status has become approved, we are waiting for that. Basically, it's waiting for approval, or has been approved, or it has been rejected. Once this has been approved and is done for us, we are able to convert the same to a purchase order. All we need to do is looking for the approval. We proceed to the next step of changing this or allowing us to have this approval done. Best practice, always ensure that you have titles, always ensure the products are well aligned and everything is aligned in that, and then you're able to track all the requests. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we will proceed in setting up a purchase quotation, which comes out from the purchase request. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.